Hey, what's going on YouTube? Coming back at you guys with another video. If you watched my last video, I think it was called like Ultimate 2012 Gaming Computer or something along those lines. Update 2012 Gaming Computer, I think it was called. But anyway, in that video, I was talking about how I was going to be making some upgrades or updates to my gaming rig. First, I updated the RAM cooler. The previous RAM cooler was this old one that was in my old system that I built back in like 2009, and I replaced it with this all black Corsair one, which I think looks 10 times better. Matches all the black in the case, you know, like the black video cards and the black fittings and the black CPU block, and you know, everything's black in my case with the blue highlights or whatever, so I think that goes a lot better. And this actually also has blue highlights on it too. In addition to that, I have also swapped the fans out. These are my old fans, these Cooler Master fans. They're blue LED fans. I just got them at CompUSA by my house. They're like $9 a piece. That's pretty much the only thing I got from there. I think everything else is from Newegg, but yeah, these are like $9. I mean, they're fine. They got me by. They actually had a pretty cool blue color. So yeah, I installed the Corsair fans, the new fans they just came out with. I'll get you guys off the tripod so you can see them. So up in the top here, I have the high static pressure fans, which are designed basically for radiators. They're designed to push air. I don't really understand how it works fully, but all I know is that they move a lot more air through the radiator than my other fans did. But the trade-off is they're pretty loud. They're like 37 CFM, and I think my old ones were in the 20 range, like where normal 120 mil fans are. But the trade-off is you get awesome temperatures. I generally game with headphones on anyway, so it doesn't really bother me all that much. And then in the back here is one of the quiet fans, and it runs at about 1,000 RPMs, and it is completely silent. These fans come with different rings, like this ring right here. You can have it be white, and then there's a red one somewhere. I'm not really sure where it is right this second, but you kind of get the idea that you can change the color of the fans, which is pretty cool because, you know, you want to make everything match, or at least, you know, I like to do that. I mean, I even got my power supply to match, so but yeah, so these fans are super awesome. I really like them. I also got installed in here a Corsair Link system, so you can see it right there. It fits into your 3 1/4 inch drive bays, and it basically plugs into a fan controller and like a lighting controller. And I got the lights placed throughout my case. I'm going to turn the lights off here so you guys can check that out and see how that works. But the software for this thing is awesome. Like, it's super easy to use. I was reading I actually saw some bad reviews online, so I was kind of worried. But all in all, it was super easy to set up. I mean, I had watched lots of videos on it, so I kind of knew what I was doing before I got into it. But it's super cool. You know, I don't really like the LED fans just because there's not much room to move with them, you know. It's just kind of like you're set with them. But with this thing, the lights are always changing. You can change them to like a million different colors. Like, it's pretty awesome. So I'm going to turn the lights off here, and then I'm going to put the side panel back on, and then I'm going to show you guys this Corsair Link system. So be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. It's the next morning. I was trying to do the video for you guys, but it was a little bit too bright and you couldn't really get the full effect. So right now I have the Corsair Link system set, alternating between red and blue on the top and bottom. Cool thing about Corsair Link is there's millions of different color combinations that you can come up with, and a lot of different profiles. So I'll just go through a few for you guys right here. For example, like one profile I made is called red, and it's just all red. So the top and bottom are both red. Another profile I made was all blue. So you can do all blue and it'll just stay blue. But you can also do red pulsing, which will make the lights pulse on and off. Now I've turned on the front LED fan. It's blue. I'm just testing it out right now. I don't know if I'm going to keep it like that or not. Leave a comment whether you guys think I should keep it. So that's pulsing. So I'm just trying to give you guys an idea of all the different kind of things you can do with Corsair Link. So here's another one I made called pink and green. So the top is, or the bottom is pink and the top is green. Pretty standard stuff. There's also one called Color Cycle, which you can go in and select 4 different colors for each LED. And then it will cycle between all of them. Now, one thing that I don't like about it is that you can't coordinate which colors go with what. I haven't really been able to figure that out. If you own Corsair Link and you know how to do it, please let me know. I've just been messing around with this software. I just got it yesterday, so I'm still trying to learn. But it's, you know, it's pretty cool as far as I can tell. You know, I really like it. I mainly got it just for the lighting. I can't really do much with the fans because they're 3-pin fans. I would have thought that Corsair's fans would be 4-pin, but they're not, so I can't really adjust the RPM like I wanted to. So I basically just got it for the lighting at this point. Hopefully in the future they'll make some 4-pin fans. I don't know. So there's that, and then there is also temperature color change. So you set a gradient scale from blue to red basically, and I got mine set from blue to orange to red on the top and the bottom. So when I come here and I start running something like Cinebench, you'll see that my top LED, which represents the CPU, will start to turn red because it's getting hotter, and you actually set the temperatures where you want the color to change. So because I'm on WaterCooling or whatever, my temperatures are kind of low, but the temperature is from, I think it's at 60 degrees Celsius when it turns red. And I can also do the same thing with the GPU. So this is all set to temperature. I'm going to set this lower so you can actually see it go to red. When the OC scanner starts stress test, and as you can see, once the GPU starts heating up, it turns to red, which is pretty cool, I think. You kind of get a visual representation of the colors in your case, and you know, after you've been gaming for a while, everything in your case is bright red. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't really have, you know, I don't know. I think it's a pretty cool effect. It's pretty unique. I don't really know if anyone else does anything like this besides Corsair. So, but I mean, the software is really easy to use. It's not complicated at all. It's really like a lot of drag and drop, and you know, it's easy. So here I'm going to stop this test, and you can see that the colors are going to go down to cooler looking colors. So I'm going to bring you guys up off the tripod, and then I'm going to show you guys the software here. Alright guys, taking a look at the software here. Forgive me if I'm a little shaky. I'm trying to hold this with my left hand. But here we go to File, and then Profiles. And here's all the profiles I was telling you about that I've made. These don't come preloaded. You got to make them. It's really easy to make them. You just kind of do a save as. But here you can see I got Color Cycle, temperature color change, red, blue, pink, pink, green, pink and green, these are actually the same, orange, blue pulsing, red pulsing. And you can have, I don't know how many, what the limit is, or if there is a limit, but you know, it's really cool that you can set different profiles, I think. And then here's how you change the different colors. So as you can see, you have normal, which is just a solid color, cycling, which will go through varying colors. See, there's up to 4. You can see them right there, and you kind of move these sliders and it'll give you a different color. Really easy to do. You can have it either 2 or 4. And then of course there's temperature, and you can set the different colors. See, this is for my GPU, so when it hits 38 degrees it's red, 31 orange, 20, I actually got to change that because it's never at 20, 20 blue. Corsair also gives you, they have all of their Corsair cases preloaded. Since I have a Corsair 650D, mine was preloaded on here, and you just kind of set where everything is. So LED 1 is up the top, LED 2 is down at the bottom there, there's my GPUs, there's my CPU, there's the different fans, there's my hard drives. So you just kind of drag and drop things there, and it gives you like a really easy representation of your case. You can also, if you want, upload your own picture of your case, so you can actually take a picture of your case with all the components in it and do it. But you know, I haven't done that yet. I just kind of got the software. I don't think I'm going to do it. I don't really think it matters. I think that pretty much everyone knows generally where their CPU and GPU is if they have Corsair Link installed. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this review of Corsair Link. It's about 150 bucks, which I think is pretty expensive. I would like to see it maybe around between 50 and 75 bucks. But, you know, they don't really have any competition. They're not really marketing it. You kind of have to dig for it on the website. You can't buy it anywhere else but Corsair.com as far as I could see. The box it came in, you know, you could tell that they haven't like marketed it at all. It's just in a blank box. So normally when you get a Corsair product, it'll have like all these specs and different things on it, but these are just blank boxes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'm going to be coming back at you guys with some more videos. At a later date, I am going to be putting a better pump in my system. As I said in previous videos, my pump is kind of loud and it's annoying. So I'm going to be swapping that out and changing the loop configuration. I'm going to make it so it's hitting the CPU first rather than the GPUs first. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.